the only travel checklist you will ever need. Before packing, start with an empty bag. Make sure all pockets and compartments don't have any items in them. Liquids, gels, and aerosols packed in carry-on must follow the 3-1-1 liquids rule, 3.4 ounces or less per container. 1 quart size, clear plastic, zip-top bag. All liquids must fit in bag. 1 bag per passenger. Review the prohibited items list for both carry-on and checked baggage. If purchasing a baggage lock, be sure to look for those that are TSA recognized. Tape a card with your name and contact information on your electronics. When packing, pack items in layers. Shoes 1 layer, clothes 1 layer, electronics 1 layer, etc. Firearms are only allowed in checked baggage and must be unloaded, placed in a locked, hard-sided container, and declared to your airline. All fireworks contain explosive materials and are not permitted in checked or carry-on baggage. Do not pack items such as box cutters, utility knives, and razors in carry-on luggage. Razor blades intended for shaving that are enclosed in a safety cartridge in which the blade cannot be removed are permitted. Pack large electronics on top layer of carry-on for screening accessibility. Place your 3-1-1 bag with liquids, gels, and aerosols in the front pocket of your carry-on for accessibility. If traveling with a pet, be sure to bring a leash so carriers can be properly screened. Before leaving for the airport, give yourself enough time to arrive at the airport early. Wear easily removable shoes. Passengers with a disability or medical condition may call ahead to the TSA Cares toll-free helpline at 855-787-2227 before entering the checkpoint. Eligible passengers look for the TSA pre-check RR lane for expedited screening at participating airports. Have your ID and boarding pass out for inspection. In standard screening lane, remove the 3-1-1 liquids bag and place it in the bin. Ensure pockets are empty. Keys, tissues, currency, wallets, cell phones, etc. And remove bulky jewelry. Valuable items can be placed in carry-on. Remove your shoes and place them directly on the X-ray belt. Remove personal electronic devices larger than a cell phone from your carry-on bag and place them into a bin with nothing placed on or under them for X-ray screening, e.g. laptops, tablets, e-readers, and handheld game consoles. Remember to check the bins and collect all belongings after going through screening. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.